to show you how to add farms to your All4feet or All4hooves system. Quite easily, go onto your desktop and click on Farms. This is where all your list of your farmers will be. Go to the top where the white plus is and click on that to add a new farmer. First of all, this top line, this is just for reference, so I usually put in just the farmer's surname, Brown. Now I put in his trading name. His trading name is Grazing Ventures. That's for invoicing purposes. The full farmer's name, the initials, and also his surname. This is for searching on your tablet later on when on farm. Put the address in. Other parts of the address as well. This is only for reference at the moment and invoicing purposes as well. You can't change this on the tablet. You can only change this on the All4feet management site. Going down the page. You've got the office telephone number. If you haven't got it, put something in, but you've got to fill something in there. So I put 00, the office, the mobile number, and then the email address. And if you've got the email address for invoicing, then put it in the invoicing. I'm just going to put admin now. As I said, we've got to put something in these boxes. Routine visits, always put it as 0. It complicates matters in the future if you don't. This underneath is basically for the trimmers now that will be invoicing farmers for foot reports and the system they've purchased. We save it. And there's your customers. That's as easy as it is to add them. Your tablet will upload. Now, if you have any issues or problems, you find a customer you can't deal with or it hasn't gone in, then you can go to your ticket system, which is here. Click on that. There's the emails you've sent to the office for support. Click on that, plus, and that allows you to send an email directly to the support team to help you out with any issues. So you haven't got to think about email, any telephone numbers or anything like that. Click save and it automatically goes to the office.